Hello and welcome. Today I am going to clean and organize my fridge top. As fridge top is one of the most important but most ignored part of our house. Many times we just keep on putting things on our fridge top, and after few days or after few months it becomes like a heap of garbage. And if you live in a small house or in a small apartment, it becomes very important to organize each and everything. And as far as fridge top is concerned, don't keep anything which is not necessary. Only keep those things which you think is required or important to you. Let's see how I'm doing it. But before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel to get more updates about my new videos. Let's see.
This is the condition of my fridge top, and I'm going to remove everything. And if you want to clean everything or clean anything, you should remove everything first. You can see so many things are kept on my fridge top. After removing everything from the fridge top, clean it properly. Here are the things which I removed from the fridge top. I'm going to divide the whole things into two categories. One I want to keep on the fridge top, and the other I don't want to keep on the fridge top. Now keep everything one by one which you require or which you think it should be on the fridge top, and provide each and everything a proper home or a proper basket. It will look managed. Here you can see I am only keeping only those things which I think is important to me or should be handy to me. You can also arrange or manage your fridge top according to your preference. You can also keep your coins which are mostly scattered here and there in a proper glass or proper box. I have kept the fruit basket on the fridge top as I have medium sized dining table, and if you have other space or big sized dining table, you can keep your fruit basket on dining table also. This is how I arranged my fridge top, and you can also arrange your fridge top according to your preference.
Thanks for watching, and I think this video will definitely help you to give some idea about organizing your fridge top. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.